So this is a mod if you wanted to add a fantastic fan or a second fan over the bed area and your 4-wheel camper didn't have one. This particular model is a front dinette 2014, but essentially it should be about the same situation on any of the, I don't know the exact dates, but 4-wheel camper started pre-wiring and pre-framing for a front fan quite a few years ago. So what you're looking for is, here's the push stick that holds your roof up, and you can almost see the ghostings of where it's at, but you're going to feel in the roof, you can see that where it's creasing on a frame, and right about there creasing on a frame, and you're going to end up taking an X-Acto knife and cutting out the roof fabric, and then essentially tucked in you should see a set of wires. Roof vents use a 14 by 14 cutout, so to kind of just confirm that you are in fact in the right spot, there's our front one and there's our back one right at the 14 by 14, so you should be pretty good to trim there. Looky, looky, what do we have here? Wiring. So then the next step would be to pop a couple of holes in each of these corners to use as a transfer so that you know where you need to cut your actual hole on the roof. Now let's say you already had this fan, but it wasn't powered. You would find the same wires hiding in the corner, so you could pull this fan or this fan out and make it a powered fan. There are a few vendors that sell a retrofit kit that just pull all of this out and pop a new one in, and it doesn't actually replace the entire fan.